Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML 350 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Those wood accents and a sunroof as well. Blind spot assist. 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and ML 350 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Rear seats. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 95,283, and we do have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio and navigation, as well as backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.